now that we're recording, we are given arc DA, that's from here to here, is 70-degree arc. We are given arc GE, from here to here is 120 degrees. We are given angle ACF, as this angle out here is 30 degrees. And we are given OG, in other words, the radius is 3 centimeters. And we're given that this is perpendicular here, and that EK is 2.5. That'll come in later. We don't need to worry about that right now. So now we can find everything else based off of these 4 things we've got here. For example, GF. 6 centimeters. Yeah, it's got to be double. Hey, diameter's double the radius. Colt's on a roll. That's all you're going to get? EDA. That's from here to here. You need to find that. Oops, I'm sorry. Angle EDA. Oh, sorry. Never mind. Wrong thing. That's not the arc. It's the angle I'm looking for. EDA. That's actually this angle right here that I'm looking for. Well, if this is 120, I need to find this arc right here, and I'd be able to find that angle. How do we find that arc? Well, believe it or not, I know this angle right in here. Do you know how I know it? Because this is a right angle, because that's a tangent. This is a right angle, because that's a tangent. A 4-sided figure has 360 degrees total, so 90 and 90 is 180, plus 30 is 210. This has to be 150 degrees. If that's 150 degrees, this has to be 30 degrees, making this a 30-degree arc. What? Do you see where I got the 150 here? Okay. This is a 4-sided figure. A 4-sided figure has a total of 360 degrees for the angle sum. I've got 90, 90, and 30 is 210. Subtract 210 is 150. Once I know that's 150, this is a straight line, so this one has to be 30. So that makes this arc out here 30. Which makes this arc from here to here 150. Which means this angle back here is 75, half of the arc. You get all that, Cole? Sorry, you got it, okay. EHF. EHF. That's this angle right here. Well, to find that angle, we need to know this arc. Well, if this from here to here is 120, this has to be 60, because that's the diameter of a circle, which makes that an 80-degree or 180-degree arc, half a circle. This arc over here, we got 30 and 70 makes this one a total of 100. So that angle is going to be 100 plus 60 divided by 2, which is 160 divided by 2, or 80 degrees for EHF. Did you find that one, Cole? No? Cool. So you got this arc here is the 100-degree arc from here to here, right? This one was 60 degrees because it's the rest of 120. That one adds up to half a circle, so it's got to be 180 total. So then this angle here, if you're looking at these two lines, remember these two angles are both, you add the two arcs together and divide by 2. So that's what we did here, is we added the arcs, 100 plus 60 and divided by 2. Yeah, 100 is this arc over here. What's that? Yeah, I just erased a bunch of stuff. Did you need that? No. Okay. Oh. circumference of the circle, you guys can find the circumference, right? 6 times pi. 18.84, something like that.
We rounded up to 18.85.
Okay. I'll forgive it this time. Arc ADF. ADF goes from here to here. That one's pretty simple. How much is it? This one's 30. That one has to be 150. That up to from here down. Because that would be a half circle. Take out the 30, would be 150 would be left. 150, yep. Arc EF is how much? 60. We already figured that one out. Area of sector GOA. Well, this is 30 degrees, so you just find the area of the circle, then it's times 30 over 360. So that'd be 3 squared is 9 times pi. What is it, like 4.6, something like that? 4.7, somewhere there. Yeah, 4.71. What's that?
What was that?
Find the area of the circle, which is pi times radius squared, where radius is 3. Then the area of the sector is going to be the area of the circle times the angle, which is 30 degrees over 360. Actually, no, that's smaller than that. It's like 2 point something, isn't it? 2.2 something? I don't know. I'm having one of those days. Yeah, 2.2 something. There you go. That works. Angle. OFC. OFC. That's this angle right here. Any guesses what that angle is? 90. There we go. The length of KG. What's that?
Nailed one.
There you go. You're done for the day, huh? We were given, by the way, that this here was 2.5. We're asked then the length of this one, which is 2.5. Angle ABD. ABD is going to be this angle out here, ABD. Well, that one will be this arc minus this arc divided by 2. So this is 150 minus 70 divided by 2. So it's going to be 80 over 2 is going to be 40 degrees. Make more sense now? Okay. You ready for your real quiz?
Sure.
The real quiz is actually a little bit easier than this one.
Yeah, I was hoping so.
You're hoping? Couldn't be much worse.
Did you